Everyone's looking to pick out the next crypto home run for this bull market. Stay tuned and you will get my number one pick. Sometimes picking the right crypto coin can kind of feel like the lottery. There's no rhyme or reason. You know, why do these meme coins take off? Some do, some don't. But when I'm looking for the next home run, I'm looking mainly for three things. First, I'm looking for a good team. Okay, I'm tired of getting rug pulled. I'm tired of teams not telling the truth. I'm tired of teams not really knowing what they're doing. Sometimes teams are malicious. Sometimes they're just negligent. Some people aren't designed to build 8-figure businesses. So I'm looking for a good team that knows what they're doing business-wise. I'm looking for real revenue coming in. Again, I'm tired of Ponzi-nomics. I'm tired of, hey, this coin is only going to go up if new people come in. It becomes very Ponzi-nomics, and I'm tired of that. So I'm looking for a business, really. You know, I'm going to stop calling them projects. They're businesses. I'm looking for a business with a good team and one that brings in revenue. Third thing I'm looking for is real world use case. I was at the Ethereum Denver conference and I was a little bit disheartened by how few things actually had some kind of value, some kind of utility. So much of what is at these crypto conferences are tools to help you build on the blockchain, but there's very few people who are actually building something on the blockchain. Again, meme coins. They are providing no value to the world. And in business, that's a red flag. If you are providing no value to the world, but hoping to get money in return, that's off balance. So what token am I excited about this bull run? BIOFI. You might have guessed that if you've watched the rest of my content. I am an advisor for the team. They already have several products that are providing real world value. Their Saytech biometrics basically puts your voice and face kind of similar to how your iPhone has it, but they put it encrypted on the blockchain. They have their own wallet that uses biometrics. They have a whole metaverse where they are using to educate. They have their blockchain encrypted password manager, SafeBox. And big announcement for this week is they have started the sale of their mexc phone. This phone is officially available to purchase. This is huge news. If you're in South Africa, you can buy one of these phones right now. Rest of the world, you're going to have to wait just a little bit. But this is a phone that rewards you just when you buy it. So when you buy it, a portion of the phone sales goes into DeFi money-making opportunities. So just buying the phone, you will start to get rewards in your wallet. So I think this is a great way to onboard new people into crypto. You buy a phone, you have a wallet on it, and now you start to get money in that wallet. Got some good pictures of the phone here. It's a blockchain phone, but it also just has regular Android on it. So you can do everything that you can do with a regular phone. So this is a cool looking phone. It's currently 3,700 Rand, which is $197. So this is under $200 for this blockchain phone. So there are partnerships in place. Astrobit is going to be on the phone. So trading bots, Alpha Shares, and their NFT marketplace. Of course, it'll have the Saytech biometrics on it and several other Web3 apps. And the best part is if you're a token holder, a portion of these phone sales is going to go to buy BioFi off the open market. So I think there's potential for this market cap for BioFi to really explode if it reaches just the top 1,000 coins, which would not be very difficult at all. We're talking like a $15 million market cap, which when you have your own mobile phone going out, very, very low market cap, but that still would be a 5x. So if you put in 5K, BioFi gets into the top 1,000 coins, $15 million market cap, 26K. So you 5x your investment there. And if BioFi is really able to take off and able to get into the top 100 coins, we're looking at a 217x. So again, your 5K would turn into $1 million. And obviously can't give any guarantees. We don't know what the future is going to bring, but I think BioFi is well poised to get into this position. So if you are wanting to get involved, there are two main ways. First off, buy some BioFi tokens. So you can swap on Trader Joe, which is the AVAX decentralized exchange, or you can buy on mexc. I'll leave a link below. You can buy on a centralized exchange, mexc. Other things, if you would like a phone, if you're in South Africa, you can click buy now. You can buy this phone. It will be shipped to you. I'd love to get some videos from people who are buying their phones. And if you think you're in a position to sell these phones, there is an affiliate program. So go ahead and get signed up as an affiliate. So hope this is helpful for you. I will keep you updated as the phones start selling. Appreciate you guys and have a great rest of your day.